जस्ट इधर मैम 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 जस्ट सर इधर ये व्हाइट लाइट किसने मारा है? रोहित बंद करना भाई ये रोहित।
First of all, congratulations to all of you for being journalists. It's a very tough job. I would like to congratulate you, each one of you. You're doing a very good job, and we are very proud of Indian journalism actually. And I'm making movies on Indian journalism, 5 movies on journalism, trying to show in Hollywood basically, and one more movie I have hold on basically. It's a Marathi. J-Day, as you know, Midday, he was a Midday crime editor, and also very close because I had to trying to show the emotion of your family, journalist family basically, through this movie called J-Day. But more than that, I'm very very happy for Movie Wala Entertainment Private Limited, their first pan-India release. So we are a family, Movie Wala Entertainment Private Limited, the distribution. We are a family, and this is the first pan-India, and this is just the beginning. So I first of all very very sincere thanks to everybody, and you guys are doing great job. So I hope through my movie J-Day, which is going to show more of family emotions, especially what your family suffer, that you reach home at 2 o'clock and they have to adjust with the journalist, and the kind of living standard, everything. And more than that, each one of you are very very emotionally strong. So all of you must remember one thing, that while doing this subject, I'm doing 5 movies on that. I have already finished 2 movies, and when I was doing J-Day, which is announced recently, Marathi Hollywood movie, I try to focus on the family and what they go through. And of course, J-Day being crime editor of Midday, his family, what they had to go there, I realized one thing, that Indian journalists are very very emotionally strong. So you guys are doing very good job trying to cover so many things, so many aspects basically, and I want to showcase this to to theatre, to people, to audience, first in Hollywood, then in India, which is very important because they don't know how hard work is required, what is real journalism. People don't know that actually, and what kind of efforts are there. So all my movies are based on journalism, and I'm looking forward that yes, through this movie I'm able to give a meaningful cinema, not only with entertainment but also showcase the strength of a journalist, because they cannot be emotionally down any point of time. So that's one thing basically. So they cannot be emotionally down at any point of time, and at the same time they cannot allow themselves to be low also. The families, they cannot allow to be low also. So first of all, I'm very very excited about to see a lot of young journalists now. They are the future of India. They make our country very very proud, and being a young entrepreneur, I realized that because I have made my country proud in technology. And from 2nd October you will see my trailer of Red Hollywood movie coming out, live webcasting done worldwide, a tribute to Mahatma Gandhi. So that will be the first film that we showcase. J-Day will be done on 26th of January. The trailer will be out. The trailer will be out on 26th January, Special Republic Day. But more than that, what I feel is people should know the youth journalism, the youth of India, and I hope that many such good movies comes actually entertaining. But more than that, few things, realistic movies should also be there at the same time. So my best wishes. We are a family. This first venture of Entertainment Private Limited with the Pan India release. This is our family. This is the first venture, and we're looking at many more things to come actually. And I hardly come to events, but whenever I see you guys doing the hard work, I feel more motivated than ever. So my best wishes are always with you, and God bless each one of you. And the more I know about people, journalists, the more I know about, through my movie, through my research, the more I understand them better. So I feel very, very honored to be doing a movie on journalism. And Midday is a great newspaper, and people should read Midday, and very good stories they come up with. And they are Mumbai Shan actually, Mumbai ki Shan, Midday. So they should basically take care of that, and we are very, very proud to have a newspaper like that, and to be associated also. It's very, very good, and many more to come. So you can ask me whatever you want to now.
And regarding your Hollywood production, what really is hard to become a film producer and make a movie in Hollywood as well?
Actually, I'm a licensed Hollywood director. I think not many people know. My real name, birth name is Michelle. I'm a born American, and my name is Michelle. I'm a licensed Hollywood director. So you need to have a little bit of experience in many things. And at the same time, after doing 430 ad films worldwide, so I became an ad director. After that, from 2005, then I did 11 South movies. Then I became, so I was already in direction for 2005 onwards. I have directed a movie in 2007, but when I got my license as a Hollywood director, so I wanted to bring the strength of India, because I didn't like this Slumdog Millionaire. I didn't like any kind of a movie called trying to show the poverty of India, trying to sell the poverty of India, and trying to show that there are women problem, political problem, issue. So I feel that we should show India to strength of India. So I took a genre of journalism, crime journalism, and that I want to showcase through my movie to them. And it will be released by a studio, Hollywood production company. Everything will be done by them only. And at the same time, through them only it will be worldwide release. So in India, I only have the dubbing rights. They will do all these things. But yes, we are looking at making our country proud. I hope that we make our country proud, and I want to show strengths of India, not weakness of India. So I don't want to sell poverty of India at the same time.
Thanks.
Anything else you want to ask?
कौन कितने पानी में, पानी से रिलेटेड इशू के बारे में जो डायरेक्टर साहब हैं पंडा साहब, वो उड़ीसा से, मैं खुद उड़ीसा से हूँ, और यश पटनायक खुद उड़ीसा से हैं, तो मैं जानती हूँ कि वो एरिया में कितनी पानी की प्रॉब्लम है। सो आई थिंक ये बिल्कुल करेक्ट टाइम पर, बहुत ही पर्टिनेंट और जैसे कहते हैं कि सही वक्त पर पिक्चर बनी है, एंड आई रियली होप दैट लोगों को ये पसंद आएगी। और ये
वी रियली होप इस पिक्चर के थ्रू ये इश्यूज जो हमारी कंट्री बहुत टाइम से फेस कर रही है, ये रिजॉल्व होंगे।
एग्जैक्टली,
बहुत ज़्यादा, क्योंकि दोस्तों की पिक्चर है, इसलिए बहुत ज़्यादा एक्साइटेड है, एंड आई एम श्योर इट्स गोइंग टू बी अ फैंटास्टिक फिल्म।
बहुत एक्साइटेड।
मैम, आपको लगता है आज लोग फिल्म देखने
आई होप सो। देखिए, हर कोई फिल्म ये सोचकर बनाता है कि फुल मतलब पैसा वसूल हो, तो आई एम श्योर उन्होंने भी अपना दिल, जान, सब कुछ लगा दिया। सो लेट्स विश द फिल्म द वेरी बेस्ट।
पिक्चर बहुत अच्छी होगी, और पिक्चर देखने के बाद पता चलेगा कौन कितने पानी में।
एग्जैक्टली।
थैंक यू,
थैंक यू, थैंक यू।
It's given him choruses for songs like Twist, all that stuff. The chorus, style by yours truly, also known as Indie. I have a song called Pona, which I co-composed with a girl named Subi. She's out in Chicago. Hey Subi. And I co-composed the song with her. Basically the chorus, Pona, and listen to the song, check it out on YouTube. Salva is back in effect. You know what I'm saying? All the rap you hear on Character Dealer, that's Style Bhai. Y'all when I see a straight shot, the way your bottom go tick, 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 tock. No matter what they say, baby girl, you rock. And all them good things. Shout out to Apache Indian, my reggae guru. And